Have you ever wanted something so much that you could only think about that thing? Maybe a hot coffee, or a big pizza, or just a long, quiet sleep.
That sounds like me every Monday.
Today, we are going to learn the most important verb for your wishes and desires. Want. Hello everyone, welcome back to English Around Us. I am Leo.
And I am Emma. Hello, friends. Leo, are you okay? You look a little distracted today. You are looking at your phone.
I am sorry, Emma. I am just hungry. I am looking at a menu.
Oh, are you going to order food?
Yes, I want a pizza, and I want a cold drink, and honestly, I want to go home and sleep.
Pizza, drink, sleep. You have a lot of wishes today, Leo.
I do, and that brings us to our special word for today. Today, we are talking about the verb of desire, want.
Yes, I want. She wants. Do you want? It is the most important verb for telling people what you need.
Exactly. And this video is for our friends at the A1 and A2 beginner level.
If you are just starting to speak English, or if you make mistakes like I want go, you are in the right place. Stay with us.
But if you're an advanced learner and you want to know about wanna reductions or polite forms like would like, please check the description for our higher level videos. Today, we focus on the basics.
So, Leo, what does want mean exactly?
Want is a verb of feeling. It means you have a desire for something. You wish for it.
Is it the same as need?
No. Need is for survival, like water or air. Want is for happiness, like chocolate or a new phone.
I see. So, I want chocolate.
Correct. Now, Emma, there are two big grammar mistakes beginners make with want.
What is mistake number 1?
Mistake number 1 is forgetting the magic word to. Many students say, I want go home.
I want go. It sounds okay to me.
No, if you want an action, a verb, you must use to. I want to go. I want to sleep.
Ah, two verbs cannot touch. They need a bridge.
Exactly. Want plus to plus verb. But if you want an object, a noun, you do not need to.
I want pizza. No to.
Perfect. Now, mistake number 2 is the S. How do you say it for your brother, Tom?
Tom want pizza.
Bzz. No. For he, she, and it, we must add the S.
Tom wants pizza.
Yes. He wants, she wants. Do not forget the snake sound at the end. S.
Okay. I want, he wants, and want to go. I'm ready to practice.
Excellent. Now we are going to do our triple drill. This is where we stop explaining and start speaking.
I'm ready. Listeners, are you ready? Open your mouths and speak with us.
Category 1 is objects, things you can touch, nouns. Remember, no to, just want plus thing.
Okay.
Sentence 1. I want a coffee. Pause.
I want a coffee.
Sentence 2, the she form, she wants a new car. Pause.
She wants a new car. Did you say wants? Good.
Sentence 3, plural, they want some money. Pause.
They want some money.
Very good. Note that we often say a or some before the object. I want a phone. I want some water. Now, category 2, actions, verbs, and we'll practice the negative.
How do we make want negative?
We use don't or doesn't. I don't want. She doesn't want.
And do we keep the two?
Yes, I don't want to go.
Let's practice.
Sentence 1, using to. I don't want to work. Pause.
I don't want to work.
Sentence 2, he doesn't want to eat. Pause.
He doesn't want to eat. Note no S on want when you use doesn't.
Sentence 3, objects. We don't want any trouble. Pause.
We don't want any trouble.
Excellent. Remember, negative for he, she is doesn't want, not don't wants. Now, category 3, the question form. To ask about desire, we use the helper do.
Do you want?
Yes, and for he, she, does he want? Question 1. Do you want some tea? Pause.
Do you want some tea?
Question 2, action. Do you want to play? Pause.
Do you want to play?
Question 3, she. Does she want to come? Pause.
Does she want to come?
Perfect. Now let us do a quick role play. I will offer you things. You answer yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Okay, ask me.
Emma, do you want $1 million?
Yes, I do, of course.
Listeners, do you want extra homework tonight? Pause.
I hope the answer is no, I don't.
Listeners, do you want to learn English? Pause.
Yes, I do.
You are doing a great job. Now, I want to tell you a short story about a cat named Felix.
A cat? I love cats. What does Felix want?
Felix is a very hungry cat. I want you to listen for want and wants. Count how many times you hear them.
Okay, I'm listening.
Felix sits in the kitchen. He looks at his owner, Mary. Felix wants food.
Wants with an S.
He says, meow. Mary says, do you want water, Felix? She gives him water.
Does he drink it?
No, Felix doesn't want water. He walks away. He sees a bird outside the window.
Oh no.
Felix wants to catch the bird. He jumps at the window. Bang!
Poor Felix.
Mary laughs. She says, you silly cat, you don't want the bird, you want your dinner. She opens a can of tuna.
And now?
Now Felix is happy. He eats everything. He doesn't want to go outside anymore. He just wants to sleep.
A happy ending. I heard the grammar, Leo. Felix wants food. Object.
Correct.
And he wants to catch. Action.
Perfect. And the negative, he doesn't want water. You see, using want correctly helps you tell the story of what people or cats feel. Okay, now it is time for the final exam. I will give you a sentence with a missing word. You must fill in the blank.
I'm ready.
Question 1. She blank a new phone. Positive.
Wants. She wants a new phone. Don't forget the S.
Correct. Question 2. I want blank go to the park.
2. I want to go to the park. Bridge between verbs.
Correct. Question 3. The negative. He blank want any coffee. A. Don't. B. Doesn't. C. No.
It's B. He doesn't want coffee.
100% correct. You are a master of want. You did great today, Emma. You mastered the desire.
I feel powerful. I can tell people what I want.
But there is a small danger with the word want. What is it?
What is it?
It sounds a little bit strong. If you go to a cafe and shout, I want coffee, it can sound rude.
Oh, I don't want to be rude.
In our intermediate B1 playlist, we have a video about politeness. We teach I would like. It is the softer cousin of want.
I would like coffee. That sounds nicer.
It is, but for now, as a beginner, I want is okay. It's clear. It gets the job done.
Okay, I'll stick to I want for now, but I'll say it with a smile.
A smile helps everything. Now, Emma, we talked about desire, want, but sometimes you do not need the thing, you just enjoy it.
Enjoy it?
Yes, I want water because I'm thirsty, but I like pizza because it's delicious.
You like pizza.
Exactly. That's our next verb. Want is for desire. Like is for enjoyment.
I like pizza. I like music. I like English.
In the next episode, we are going to explore the verb like. It's how we make friends and talk about our hobbies.
That sounds fun.
We want to help you learn, so we have created a full script and vocabulary list for you. Please subscribe and like this video to help our community grow. And finally, tell us in the comments, what is one thing you want right now?
I want a holiday. Tell us your answers below.
See you next time, friends.